Let's make Myers Rum Planter Punch. This drink has a couple of steps. The first thing we're going to do is shake some of our ingredients. In fact, all of our ingredients. So I'm going to take 3 parts of the rum, 3 ounces, 90 milliliters, and put that into my shaker. Two parts, 2 ounces of simple syrup. And here I'm assuming 1-to-1 simple syrup. I'm using white. I often use raw cane. Use whichever one you like. 2 ounces of 60 milliliters. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 part. 1 ounce or 1 part, 30 milliliters. And 1 dash of bitters. They don't specify the type. I'm using Angostura. For some reason I think I should do 2, but 1 is the recipe. Add your ice and give it a shake. Drink shaken, I'm going to set it aside. Well, for now. I'm going to get some more ice and I'm going to crush it. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed. It does say to fill your glass with crushed ice. We've got 6 ounces of fluid going into an 8-ounce glass. I'm going to fill about halfway for now. That's about halfway. I'm going to strain my drink into there. Oh. And that was perfect. Garnish. The garnish is an orange slice. My orange slices tend to be much bigger than my Cullen's glass, so I'm not going to put it on the edge. Instead, I'm going to try and sneak it down the edge. Like that. And that's it. Well, straw. Let's put a straw in there. Now that's it. Myers Rum Planter Punch. Drink with good spirits.